What's up, guys? Welcome back to GRUNT Nation. Today I got the Glock 19 Gen 5 and it's got the red dot, so it's the MOS. It has the Cyelee Chameleon SRS 8 red dot on there, and it is chambered to 9mm. One of the things I really liked about the Glock 19 was the compact size. I have the full size and the subcompact, and so I wanted to try out the compact size. Some things that are different on this Glock is it doesn't have the finger indents on the grip. It's got the serrating up front on the slide. It has the ambidextrous slide release on both the left and right, so it's very beneficial for me because I'm left-handed. The mags are 15 round mags, so pretty standard capacity. It does have the AmeriGlow sights on it, I think are really nice because it has the orange up front and they glow in the dark, so it's for nighttime as well. But yeah, enough talking. Let's go ahead and shoot a couple of rounds. Yeah, that was light. Probably need to zero the red dot a little more, but yeah. The optic itself is very nice. You get a perfect view of everything you need. I like the round shape of it. The reticle, it's all right. It's very crisp, very clear. So yeah, so far I'm really liking this red dot. I usually have always shot iron sight, so this is my first time using a red dot, so it'll take some time getting used to. I previously recorded how to mount the red dot and reviewing the red dot itself and all the specs and measurements and everything about it. If you're interested in the Chameleon SRS 8 red dot, you can check out these videos up here. It's a little small in my hands, probably because I got big hands, but other than that, I think it feels really good. It's just a tad too small right there. But let's go ahead and shoot another mag. There you guys go. That's a little overview of the Glock 19 Gen 5. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and comment down below. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.